Hi all, thanks for joining us for this press engine tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to automatically import all pages of a website from the archive.org Wayback machine into your WordPress blog. It's really easy and fast. First thing to do is make sure you have a site on your dashboard. If you need help doing that, you can watch the tutorial that tells you how to do that. Go to add content for that site and then go to upload a source sheet. Make sure that you're building content for the site you want to import to. Then go ahead and add a content sheet. Give this a name. Any name will do, it doesn't matter. It's not picky, it's just a label. Then make sure you choose yes to convert to Wayback Machine. Then choose a date for the Wayback Machine to use when it chooses your version of the site. It doesn't have to be an exact date. It can be just within a month or two of the actual date you want to use. Go ahead and choose file. It can be an XLS file or a CSV file. And go ahead and press process. We'll wait a few minutes for that to upload. More like a couple seconds, 30 seconds. Okay, it refreshed. We're going to go over here. We're going to see it has uploaded all 40 of our URLs. It's using the web archive, and you can see that it's accessing the exact site within the web archive that we want to access. Then create content in batch. If you want to edit it manually, you can choose create content with editing. Create content in batch is the fastest way to do it. You can choose it to automatically publish the content or leave it in draft so you can review it before you publish it. You can create each URL as a post or a page. When that's done, just click OK. It's going to do everything in batch. It will run automatically. You can leave this page. So we'll go back to the dashboard, and then we'll go over to our WordPress site. Look at posts, and we'll refresh it. And you can see there's the first article. It's going to do all 40 articles. Could take a while, but what do we care? We can go get coffee, make dinner. Might take 20 minutes, but once again, it's all automated. That's the beauty of this product. Thanks a lot.